Oh, hello internet. Here we have another Kia Sportage or Sportage. It's four-wheel drive, 1.6 turbo petrol, done only 18,000 miles. So just recording this to see everything is working on a panel. And you got a heated seat, sat-nav system, all the media, Bluetooth, and it's four-wheel drive with the lock system and the cruise control system. Yeah, it's and the folding mirror. Yes, let me to check at that. Wow. Okay. Another side and the auto dim. The engine is running. I will just take you out to see what is the engine noise. Here is the engine. TGDI. And look at the engine sound. Yep. But no any stupid sound from the engine bay. So just walk around in the car. Yeah, that's the car. Minimum damage. Everything work as it should work. I will switch on the light to show the lights are also working fine. The front light looks alright. Hazard light. Yeah, lights on the indicator. Front. Fog lights, indicators. That one. And the rear lights. All good. Yeah. Any parts you would need, just give me a call and we were here to help you. Enjoy your life, buddies. Yeah. Thank you.